Hey y'all, Coach Greg here. Today we're gonna be doing a full body toning workout. It's great for maximizing calorie burn and improving overall strength, mobility, flexibility, and energy. So let's get into it. First, I'm gonna be doing an explanation and demonstration of the exercises, and then we're gonna do a second set of just a straight on going through the exercises. All right, we're gonna start with our first exercise, which is the windmills. What you're gonna do is spread your feet out. You could be a little more than shoulder width apart, and you're gonna put your arms out to the side right here, and all you're gonna do is reach down, one hand going straight up to the sky, the other hand trying to touch the opposite toe, and you're gonna come back to your starting position, and you're just gonna go straight through. All right, let's get 30 seconds in as we go. Here we go, and go. Really wanna stretch. This helps your obliques, your glutes, everything, shoulders. What really helps me is to look up to the sky where my hand is pointing, just to make sure I'm getting the maximum depth as I can. If you want, you can go a little further, and you can also bend your knee a little bit, just to modify it for you guys. I'm really feeling the stretch. All right, we got 5, 4, 3, 2, one more, and there we go. That was great. Let's move to the next one. All right, next exercise, we have butt kicks, which are amazing. You know, instructions are really simple. You're just gonna try to kick your butt. What you wanna do is lift your leg up as much as you can, bending at the knee. This is a great exercise to stretch the quads, the hamstrings, the glutes. Let's do these butt kicks. Here we go, 30 seconds. Again, really just focus on extending. Turn to the side for you. Really building out those quads. You can even run if you want. Just kick those legs back. Feeling it for sure. All right, we got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, next we have standing crisscross crunches, which you're gonna wanna do again. Feet a little past shoulder width apart. Hands up on your head back here, and you're just gonna twist to one side, bringing the knee up and the elbow at the same time, and really focusing on crunching. All right, let's get 30 seconds in. Here we go, and begin. These are great for twisting those obliques, focusing on your core. And if you can't get all the way up, this mat is not coordinating with me. It wants to do crunches too. Really focus on your breathing, especially when you're about to crunch. That's when you can breathe out, just like so. And really focusing on having proud chest, flat back, and focus on bringing that knee up to your elbow. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, next we have bird dogs. You are gonna wanna get yourself in a quadruped position, hands just below shoulders, knees below your hips. You're gonna really focus on driving your leg straight backwards, right? Try to point it down if you can. And you're gonna want to raise the opposite arm straight ahead in front of you. And that's one. And then you're gonna do the same on the opposite side. So let's do it. Here we go. Also, if doing both at the same time is too difficult, you could just focus on extending your leg out first, then the arm, bring it back, bring the knee in, leg, arm, bring it back. And if you really want to challenge, you just do both at the same time, really focusing on having a straight back and keep it a straight line. Here you go. Got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Next, we have mountain climbers, which is our favorite here. You're going to get hands right under shoulders. You can spread your legs out a little further. The goal is flat back, and you're just gonna focus on driving that knee up towards your chest. And if you would prefer, you can tap the ground as you go, or you can just like hover just above. All right, let's get 30 seconds going. Here we go. I'll first start just by tapping the ground. But then if you're feeling ambitious, if you're feeling like, Craig, this is too easy, you know, you could just start bringing the knee up. You can speed it up, slow it down. Like I said, all these exercises are modular, so you can go as fast or as slow as you need. We'll do another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good stuff. All right, last on the docket, we have dead bugs. I don't know about you guys, but I've seen plenty of these in my lifetime. You're just gonna wanna lay back flat. You're gonna want your arms extended straight above you. Look to the sky, ceiling, wherever you are. And you're gonna wanna bring your knees to 90 degrees. You're really just gonna focus on extending that leg out and extending that opposite arm as far as you can while keeping your lower back pressed to the ground. And you're just gonna alternate. Bring up just like a dead bug. All right, we're gonna do 30 seconds. You guys ready? Let's do it. This is great for coordination, balance, stability. It has it all. I definitely feel the burn in my glutes, my shoulders, my core, everything. All right, we got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Amazing. All right, now that you know all the exercises, you're gonna follow along with me and we're just gonna knock it all out in one fell swoop. You can come back to this part to repeat it if you feel like you need more of an extra burn or just wanna go crazy with it. All right, we're gonna get started with that second set. Are you ready? Let's do it. First, we're gonna start with windmills. Arms out ahead, take a deep breath, and let's go. Remember, don't be afraid to look to the sky if you're really having trouble reaching down. And if you want to bend those knees, if you need to, bend the knees. It all works out the same stuff. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 more. Good stuff. Shake it all out, jump around. Let's get into the next one. All right, let's get ready with these butt kicks and go. Remember, don't be afraid to have some fun with it. Goal is really, we just wanna stretch out those quads. You're gonna feel it in your knees, hamstrings. Just really just focus on straight back and kicking that butt. And then if you want, like I said, you guys can go a little faster if that, you know, is more your speed. But if not, just keep it slow pace, it's okay. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. And now we have crisscross crunches. Let's get into it. And go. Really focus on driving that knee up as far as you can. And if you can't touch elbow to knee, it's completely fine. Don't forget to breathe like I am. Breathing is very important when it comes to exercising. Got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, next we have bird dogs. Let's get into it. We're almost done. Y'all doing great. All right, hands over shoulders, knees over hips. Let's start. Stretch out as much as you can. What helps me is to look straight down. Really helps with your balance. And if you're feeling ambitious, you can stretch out, bring knee to elbow. But I'm just gonna keep them simple because I like simple. Got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, next we have mountain climbers, so let's just get right into it. And go. Really focus on driving that knee up. And again, if you want to hover, instead of touching your toe down, you could do that. Really drive it forward. Don't forget to breathe. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last exercise, dead bugs. Get on your bat, hands up, and let's do it. Remember, just really focus on pressing your lower back into the ground and reach as far back as you can. Almost there. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And there you have it. That was your full body toning workout. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you like videos like this, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you can always be the first one to know when we have new videos coming out. I'll see you next time. Bye.